This is too unbelievable, my God, this is only the beginning. In this market, how could a bull run ever come to an end? It is unfair. However, the information that follows will truly enlighten you. Right now, no one is looking, but you could be the first to do something about it. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Allow me to clarify. Important notice. Shiba Inu fans are getting very excited about the new Bitcoin ETF, and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole is booming. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs are reportedly having a banner year, says Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas. The market recovered sharply from its June drop. Investments reached a record $300 million yesterday, bringing the weekly total to a whopping $1 billion. The initial expectations for the full year were $12.5 billion, but this spike has increased the investment in Bitcoin ETF to $16 billion, surpassing even that. Keep in mind that there are 6 more months of the year remaining, forecasting that they might potentially garner approximately 20% of the investment activity observed with Bitcoin ETF. This bodes well for the future of the cryptocurrency ETF sector. An increasing number of individuals are showing interest in cryptocurrencies, as evidenced by the record-breaking spike in Bitcoin ETF investments. Investing in the cryptocurrency market through an exchange-traded fund ETF is a regulated and familiar alternative to buying and owning individual assets. With the introduction of an Ethereum exchange-traded fund ETF, more people will be able to participate in this dynamic asset class. Since the value of all coins tends to fluctuate in tandem with Bitcoin's, this trend might reflect what we're witnessing with Bitcoin. The market is vulnerable to the avalanche of any major changes in Bitcoin ETF. Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies are likely to witness a surge in interest from investors as they see the promise of these new financial products and develop faith in them. Something monumental may be about to happen, given the present course of the crypto market and the skyrocketing demand for Bitcoin ETFs. A new surge of growth might hit the cryptocurrency sector as a whole, if Ethereum ETF were to join the market and attract large investors. The growing availability of regulated financial products may signal the tipping point when the cryptocurrency business goes from niche interest to general acceptance. So even if it looks like a bull run could be coming to an end, developments on the bottom indicate otherwise. Opportunities for astute investors are growing as the cryptocurrency market changes. These trends are worth watching because they have the potential to influence how Bitcoin is invested in the future. Due to the linked structure of the cryptocurrency industry, progress in one area can spark interest and investment in other areas, propelling the sector as a whole. The most recent Shiba Inu announcement appears to be a prime example of this. Trading volume for Shiba Inu has increased by a whopping 151% after it broke through a key barrier level. The stats for Shiba Inu are skyrocketing as a number of digital currencies try to make a comeback. The build-up over the past few weeks makes this Shiba Inu upswing predictable. Shiba Inu's value increase is strongly tied to the general trend of major cryptocurrencies' value increases. Other digital currencies tend to follow the rise of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The confidence of investors in other assets, such as Shiba Inu, is influenced by the upward moves in top cryptocurrencies. When people are optimistic and invest in popular currencies, it creates a favorable atmosphere for all coins to prosper, which helps fuel growth across the crypto market. It is clear that other crucial indicators have been greatly affected by the increase in Shiba Inu prices. An important point is the trading volume, which increased by more than 160% in just one day, reaching over $700 million. At present, there is a bullish sentiment in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which has increased its 7-day growth trend by 18%. Also contributing have been the massive trades made by whales or other large-scale investors. Over $35 million was exchanged overnight, a 95% increase from the previous 24 hours, according to data from Into the Block. After more than a month of fighting with the 0.000042 level, these movements indicate that Shiba Inu might be attempting to break through a critical price resistance. This level might be overtaken by the token soon. Such massive whale activity has the potential to significantly affect the future value of Shiba Inus. When large investors known as whales buy an asset, it usually sends a message of confidence to smaller investors. The result could be an upward spiral in price due to a positive feedback loop. The Shiba Inu market has been experiencing a surge in interest and engagement, as shown by the increased trade volume. This has further solidified its position. A single asset's performance can have far-reaching consequences on the crypto market because of the interconnected nature of the ecosystem. This interdependence is demonstrated by the recent increase in the price and volume of Shiba Inu trades. The entire market benefits from the domino effect created by major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin as they keep going up in value. Shiba Inu and similar assets are riding the current wave of market confidence and can be a good option for those seeking alternatives to the main cryptocurrencies. Finally, because the cryptocurrency industry is so interdependent, progress in one area can have a multiplicative effect on other areas. What has happened recently with Shiba Inu exemplifies how enthusiasm for popular cryptocurrencies can boost the value of other digital assets. In order to spot fresh possibilities and comprehend the bigger trends influencing the cryptocurrency environment, it will be essential to keep an eye on these interrelated dynamics as the market keeps changing. With the help of whale trades and improving market sentiment, Shiba is in a better position to achieve its lofty price targets. A lot of people are speculating that this might be the start of cryptocurrency season. In a tweet, Stepus Crypto presents a chart that illustrates the dominance of altcoins, not including Bitcoin, and the top 10 altcoins. The chart shows that the dominance of altcoins is establishing the 2017 bull run highs as new support levels. Many are getting ready for the largest alt season ever, therefore now is the time to acquire altcoins. Everyone needs to pay attention to this. A change in market sentiment towards smaller cryptocurrencies is indicated by the increasing dominance of altcoins. This has the potential to result in huge price hikes and lucrative investment opportunities. Keep an eye on these events and think about the possible rise of different cryptocurrencies during this exciting market era if you're an investor trying to diversify and make money off of this trend. But a problem emerged out of nowhere right as everyone was rejoicing. Major cryptocurrency exchange Kraken today acquired Bitcoin, valued at more than $3.1 billion from the now-defunct MT Gox exchange. Just in case some of you have forgotten, MT, when a huge hack caused hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin to be lost in 2014, the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, Gox, collapsed. Kraken was able to recover enough money to compensate the victims of that hack, to aid in the distribution of these Bitcoins to creditors of MT Gox. Kraken is among the exchanges selected. They've confirmed getting the Bitcoin and said they'll begin repaying you in 7 to 14 days. The crypto community is reeling from this news. People are becoming increasingly worried that another massive sell-off of Bitcoin is imminent. Everyone is still thinking about last month's Bitcoin sale in Germany. The market plummeted and dragged the entire crypto realm down when Germany sold off their Bitcoin. The possible effects on the market of reintroducing such a huge quantity of Bitcoin has investors understandably worried. The quick sale of these Bitcoins has the potential to cause a precipitous decline in the price of Bitcoin, which might impact other cryptocurrencies as well as the market as a whole. There is still a lot of optimism about cryptocurrency season, even with all this pending doubt. Because of how the crypto market is structured, improvements in one area might have a multiplicative effect on other areas. Shiba Inu's recent events, together with altcoins' rising prominence, demonstrate how investor enthusiasm for popular cryptocurrencies can propel the expansion of other digital assets. It is essential to keep aware and prepared if you want to succeed in this complicated and ever-changing business. You may learn a lot by keeping an eye on things like whale activity, market sentiment, and major events like the Kraken MT Goxer payments. The future of cryptocurrency and the opportunities and threats it presents will be determined by the dynamics between the most popular cryptocurrencies and their minor counterparts. Overall, the altcoin market's momentum indicates that there are still large prospects for development and investment, even though a significant Bitcoin sell-off is possible. There are exciting opportunities in the cryptocurrency field, and investors may position themselves to take advantage of them by closely monitoring market changes and understanding the underlying trends.